Hello. Um, as you can see, it's raining out there, so I can't do my usual evening walk. Well, I thought I beat the rain when I came here at like 4:45 p.m. But still, I think the rain beat me. Um, I don't think the rain is stopping anytime soon, so I can't walk today. I'm at 1,500 steps right now, and like nowhere near my 12,000 step goal, which is 10 times this. So I'm just sitting here, here, not wet, if that's what you're thinking. Yeah, I'm just watching. It's calming, isn't it? Like, I know I could go down. Ho ho ho. So as I was saying, I could go down home and watch some YouTube on my laptop, or on my mobile for that matter. I don't get Wi-Fi here. I'm on mobile data. But there's something calming about this rain. So yeah, I think I did a 30-second video of just rain falling down, and most of you don't even know that I'm speaking in this video. So yeah, I think this shot. I don't think you guys. Okay. I don't think you guys can see it, but yeah, I think you can see it. And I'm getting wet now. Wow, wow, wow. Not wow, wow, wow. Oh no, no, no. Yeah, it's a pretty calming situation right now. Bye.